Okay, so I think I figured out what's going on with Topstep. Basically, screw Topstep and their dumb scaling rule. With ORS, we need to be able to cancel an order and replace an order very fast, a lot of times. If after the bar expires, we cancel and replace. If the level of the bar closing goes down beyond the next range level, then we obviously cancel and replace. ORS is doing that all automatically. Now, yesterday I was using 2 micros, which is the maximum allowed on the Topstep Express account, thinking that I was following the rules, which I am. But the problem happens because the cancel and the replacement is so close in time, the Topstep backend, whatever they're using, it's not fast enough to delineate between that close and the reopen of the next order. So it thinks that I'm actually placing 4 micros. So then it denies 2 of them, which then denies the whole order. So basically, I'm going to be able to place 1 micro or 1 mini, because the maximum is 2, and if it's counting 1 basically as 2 many times, then that should be okay. Apparently this is really complicated, it's so ridiculous. This is because they want you to use their platform. Yeah, the guy I was chatting with yesterday, a real person, said that it's because it requires an extensive amount of coding and blah, blah, blah. No, I don't believe that. I mean, maybe it does, but all the other companies are letting it more than... So in Topstep, 1 mini is equal to 1 micro. There's no 1 to 10 ratio as there is in real life, basically. So now I don't really know what I'm going to do with all my eval accounts that are almost passing, and the one funded account I have. Either got to trade 1 micro so that it actually keeps the order, but you got to reach $200 a day. So with a 2 wins and done, that's barely ever going to happen. I mean, most of the time, 1 contract is worth somewhere between 50 and like $80. So I'll need like 4 wins and done. And I don't want to stay awake for that. So either that or you use 1 mini, and that's like using 10 micros. And we never use 10 micros. That's a lot of risk. And possible risk of catastrophic blow up after, it would be like, even a $60 1 micro would be $600 with 1 mini. 6, 12, 18, 24, 6, 12, 18. They only give you a $2,000 drawdown with the 50K Topstep account. So that'd be 6, 12, 18. Basically 3 losses in a row and your Express account's done. Your PA account's done. So I definitely don't recommend Topstep for ORS unless we can figure something out, unless they change things, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. Okay, Jake out.